Once again.
I'm Savita Sharma and welcome to my channel. Please do subscribe to know more about my traveling experiences and my DIY experiments, and of course unboxing also. It's called the Lip Exfoliating Scrub. Right, you got my friends. We are gonna make today this, and we need a honey for that. Little bit of honey, little bit of olive oil, or you have almond oil, or you have some other essential oils. You can put that also, because we are gonna use very little quantity. And of course the sugar, you can use the brown sugar also. But in a weekly once a time, I feel myself that you should be basically why we use scrub, because the extra dryness and all, the lips get also drained out actually. You see, we do it for pedicure, we do it hands, everything, face, everything we do, but we don't take care of our lips. And this is the most essential part of the winter season, especially mine lips goes dry and it's too fast. So what I'm gonna do is right now mix all these things. Little bit I'm taking on, can you see that? Yeah. So very little. Yes, that's all. Yeah. Actually I've taken more, but still little bit. And I put the little bit oil here. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, it's only 1 inch of something. And of course the sugar. Yes. Sugar we can take a little bit more sugar. Yes, I hope you can see. And now we just mix it. Yep. I'm just mixing it. Yeah, and we have to make only little bit, not too much, because it's an every like you can in a weekly once you do it. And then what happens on the, apply it on the lips, if you will. This I've taken from the here. And the dry skin. I hope you have got the idea what I'm doing. Tell me to eat also, lick also, because it's honey. You keep on doing for 2, 3, 4 minutes. That's enough. Keep it for 2 or 3 minutes. Actually, with brown sugar it will be more better, I suppose. You don't need to use the sugar. Not too rough on your lips, smoothly, very on a light hand. You keep on for 3-4 minutes and just keep on rubbing it around it. You could take a little more also. not too much of rubbing. If you can see, now you are might not get the idea, but when you do this, after some moments, you will see the suppleness of the lip. Yes. And you can take any kind of lip balm then, or you can put a little bit of very light shimmery lip gloss to it if you're going out. But going out in a hurry and you feel too much of dryness, the lipstick is sticking on or it's not looking good, just do this 2 minutes. It hardly took 2 to 5 minutes. Just do it and apply the I've got many questions also regarding the lip scrubs and the facial scrubs and all. So I'll be doing many experiments at home. This is a typical household things what you get in house, so you can do it immediately basis. No need to buy a lot of expensive stuff or something to do it. It's just simple, healthy and natural, and I believe in that. So you have a nice supple lips now and you are moving out. And thank you very much. If you need more details, there you can go into the description box and see the details. And I have done another experiments too, and you can see that other videos also. And right now I am saying bye bye to you. Bye bye. Take care.